Hi, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to continue talking about traveling. So first, I will be showing you some pictures. While you see the parts of the pictures, please write down what you think this picture represents. You can pause your video if you want to. This is picture number 1. Picture number 2. Picture number 3. Picture number 4. Number 5. 6. And this is picture number 7. Now, what do you think each of these images represent? And what do they have in common? Please think about this before class so we can share our theories. Now, we're going to complete a summary from the reading that we did yesterday. Please use the words in blue at the end of the reading. Doable, enjoyable, self-esteem, self-sufficient, and unbearable. Pause your video, please. Okay, let's go ahead and check. A pair of Canadian twins wanted to take a gap year before going to university. That's why they decided to travel across Canada, from coast to coast. Their mother didn't think they could do it. Sorry. But the twins thought it was completely doable. As Jules said during an interview, we were raised to be self sufficient, so we know how to do things on our own. Also, we hope to have an enjoyable time getting to know our country. During their trip, the twins got to meet many Canadians who wanted to help them by giving them a meal or a place to sleep. Their mother said that the waiting was unbearable, but that she was very proud of them. Once their adventure finished, they said that they were ready to start university since their self esteem had increased a lot during their trip. Great job. Now, what do these words in pink have in common? Pause your video if you need to. So, if you notice, some of them start with self and some of them end with able. Today, we're going to be talking about word formation. So, let's go ahead and check it. What do self, able, or evil do? Look at the examples here. Pause your video while you think about this. Okay, so let's check. We're going to use the prefix self when we relate to a person. Okay, we use this with many nouns and adjectives. Self belief, so it is the belief that I have in me. Self conscious, self discipline, self employed, self esteem. So they refer to the person's belief or discipline. Now, the suffix able or evil, they go at the end of the word, and they show something that can be done. We use this with many verbs in order to make adjectives. Accessible, which means that it's something we can access. Doable is something that we can do. Edible, something we can eat. Enjoyable, reasonable, unbearable. Of course, you can make many other words using these structures. So let's go ahead and practice. Go to your workbook, page 16, exercise number 3. You're going to match the definitions to the words in the column you have here. Accessible, achievable, doable, enjoyable, reasonable, self-discipline, self-employed, self-esteem, and unbearable. Letter A is already done for you. Embarrassed or worried about how you look or what people think of you. This is self-conscious. Now pause your video while you do the rest. Okay, let's go ahead and check. B. The feeling that you are as important as other people and deserve to be treated well. This is self-esteem. Something that gives you pleasure is enjoyable. If something is possible for you to do, it is doable or achievable. So extreme that you cannot deal with it, unbearable. With an expected range means reasonable, right? Easy to get or use, accessible. The ability to control your behavior so that you do what you should do, this is self discipline. And working for yourself is self employed. Great job, guys. We're going to continue this during class. I'll see you then. Bye bye.